Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy cards on Marvel Snap. So let's get started. First, launch the Marvel Snap game. Go to the shop section by tapping on the bottom left corner of your screen. Now, tap on the star with a clock icon and go to the daily offer section. Here, you will see a variety of cards available for purchase. You can select the card that you want to buy and tap on the gold bar right below it. Finally, to complete your purchase, tap on the gold bar icon again. This will confirm your transaction and the card will be added to your collection. And this is how you can buy cards on Marvel Snap. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.